Over the years, mini drones have undergone a remarkable evolution that has completely changed their role in society. Originally designed for fun and hobby, these small devices have evolved to become versatile tools that span different fields and application. From capturing aerial footage to delivering packages, mini drones have found their place at the forefront of technological innovation. Its ability to access hard-to-reach places and provide a unique perspective has greatly expanded its application possibilities. In a market loaded with options, finding the perfect drone can be overwhelming, but we're here to simplify your choices. From ease of use to cutting-edge features, we'll explore the best current mini drones. These are our top 5 picks. Let's dive in. If you're looking to save money while still getting a high-quality product, the Potensic Atom SE stands out as the best budget mini drone of 2024. Potensic is well known for producing competitive and affordable drones, and the Atom SE's standout feature is its impressive 4K camera equipped with a 13MP 1/3 CMOS sensor and an 8MP lens. This setup ensures you get excellent image quality and vibrant color reproduction. Additionally, the drone offers intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and 360-degree circular mode, making it easier to capture professional-grade footage. The built-in GPS is a great feature, helping you retrieve the drone if it ever gets lost or drops out of sight. Other notable features include a quick battery charger, a remote control compatible with smartphones, and an easy setup for proper calibration. Weighing less than 250 grams, the Potensic Atom SE complies with most flight regulations, allowing you to fly without special permits. Its foldable design enhances portability and protects vital components. The camera records videos in 4K resolution at 30 FPS and captures photos in both JPG and RAW formats. It boasts a 12MP Sony CMOS sensor with an electronic stabilization system known as EIS Shake Vanish, ensuring sharp and stable images even in windy conditions or sudden movements. The Surgefly flight control system and Shake Vanish technology provide smooth and stable aerial shots, enhancing your flying experience. The drone's viewing angle ranges from +20 degrees to -90 degrees, allowing for wide and varied shots. The Atom SE also utilizes PixSync 2.0 technology for reliable, real-time video streaming, transmitting 720p HD video up to 4 kilometers away. Good stuff! If you're after the best value for your money, consider the DJI Mini 2 SE, the top pick for mini drones in 2024. Although DJI drones aren't the cheapest, their features, design, reliability, and performance make them worth every penny. The DJI Mini 2 SE continues the legacy of its predecessor, the Mini SE, and is one of the best affordable travel drones available. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight, foldable drone that records video in 2.7K, providing an easy and enjoyable flight experience. With a video transmission range of 10 kilometers and intelligent modes like quick shots, it offers versatility and professionalism in your aerial shot. It also boasts wind resistance up to 38 kilometers per hour and a flight time of up to 31 minutes, making it stable and capable of capturing unique moments. Weighing just 249 grams, its wings fold for easy transport. The drone features a 3-axis gimbal with a 12MP camera that records in 2.7K at 30 FPS. It supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and employs technologies to minimize interference. The Mini 2 SE reaches speeds of up to 16 m/s and has level 5 wind resistance, enduring winds of up to 38 kilometers per hour. Its GPS satellite navigation and GNSS positioning ensure stable hovering and precise landings with its lower infrared detection. The DJI Mini 2 SE includes the renowned DJI RC/N1 remote control, known for its build quality and versatility, compatible with various DJI models. With a few taps, the DJI Fly app helps you create professional quality videos for social media, complete with filters and soundtracks, whether you're a beginner or an expert. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. For beginners, the Beta FPV Cetus Pro is hands down the top mini drone in 2024. Designed especially for novice pilots, this racing drone comes with a 5.8 GHz FPF camera and FPF goggles for real-time image viewing. The Cetus Pro is ready to fly straight out of the box, making it perfect for those who want a quality drone at a great price. Imagine turning your living room into a thrilling racetrack. This drone makes it possible. With dimensions of 8.35 4.5 by 8.35 by 4.22 centimeters and a weight of only 33 grams without the battery, it's easy to maneuver. The included BT 2.0 450 mAh 1S battery provides a 5-minute flight time and takes about 50 minutes to charge. Equipped with a CO2 FPF micro camera and a 40-channel 5.8 GHz video transmitter, the Cetus Pro allows you to receive real-time images on any screen or goggles with a 5.8 GHz video receiver. Its 2.4 GHz radio control has a range of up to 70 meters and features an emergency landing system for low battery or signal loss. The altitude hold system makes piloting easier for beginners. The remote is also compatible with FPV simulators, letting you practice on your computer before taking to the skies. The Cetus Pro FPF offers 3 flight modes and 3 adjustable speeds, giving you the flexibility to choose the best settings for your skill level. Flight modes include fully stabilized horizontal stabilization only and Arco mode without stabilization for full control and performing tricks. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is the perfect mini racing drone for anyone looking to dive into the exciting world of drone racing. It offers an accessible first-person flight experience at an affordable price, making it ideal for beginners. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Now, just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Next on our review list is the DJI Mini 3, the runner-up best mini drone of 2024. This compact and lightweight camera drone is designed for adventure seekers. It features extended battery life and stunning 4K HDR video, capturing true-to-life color and detail. With vertical shooting capabilities, it's perfect for social media content. Whether you're strolling along the beach, on a weekend getaway, or embarking on a road trip, the DJI Mini 3 ensures you're ready to capture every memorable moment. The DJI Mini 3 comes equipped with a standard intelligent flight battery that provides a maximum flight time of up to 38 minutes. Thanks to its foldable design and weight of less than 249 grams, it's easy to slip into your backpack or pocket for any adventure. Constructed with a plastic body, the DJI Mini 3 maintains a small footprint. Its foldable wings make it even more compact, allowing for hassle-free storage in any bag. The new generation includes several improvements, such as a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a 48MP sensor. Additionally, it features a fixed f/1.7 aperture lens, a new dual ISO system, and native HDR recording. These enhancements significantly improve detail capture and dynamic range, especially noticeable in backlit settings. The improved settings offer more options for professional work. A key feature of the DJI Mini 3 is its 3-axis mechanical stabilizer. While similar to the DJI Mini 2, this stabilizer has been enhanced for a greater range of motion: tilt from -135 degrees to 80 degrees, rotation from -135 degrees to 45 degrees, and shift from -30 degrees to 30 degrees. This ensures smooth and stable footage while the drone is in flight. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Finally, we introduce the DJI Mini 4 Pro, also known as the best overall mini drone of 2024. DJI drones are known for their compact design and reliable performance, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Despite its small size, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is far from a toy. It's a powerful tool, ideal for professionals in the audiovisual sector. Whether you're into aerial photography or capturing cinematic shots, this drone has you covered. One of its standout features is its ability to record in 4K at up to 100 FPS, perfect for high-quality slow-motion videos. It also supports full HD recording at up to 200 FPS, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. These specs are quite impressive for a mini drone. Additionally, the DJI Mini 4 Pro excels with features like omnidirectional obstacle detection and active track 360 degrees. Omnidirectional obstacle detection allows the drone to sense obstacles from all directions, providing you comprehensive protection. Active Track 360 degree lets the drone follow a specific flight path, whether you want it to track a person, a car, or another moving object, ensuring smooth and worry-free tracking. Another highlight is OcuSync 4.0 video streaming, which enhances the reliability of the video signal and extends the range up to 20 kilometers. Impressively, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is is the first drone under 250 grams to feature this advanced technology. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.